Hey y'all, Night Reaper here, and today I want to show you a quick video on the spectrum scope that comes with the new update on the H3 Plus from Tidradio. So we're going to hit the menu button here, and we're going to go down to scan, and we're going to click the menu button again, and then we're going to scroll down to menu number 6, which is spectrum, and click on that. And there's your spectrum scope. All right, so we're going to hit menu again, and this is going to take you into the spectrum menu where you can see modulation, AM, FM, step frequency. This is how far from the frequency you put in it's going to scan. Got a lot of different choices. I have mine set on 50 to get a good scan spectrum there. Threshold. Depending on what frequency area you're listening to, you'll have to adjust this. It goes up to 200, I think. For airband, I have mine on 150 because I want to get as many signals as possible. This is to turn your cursor on and off, which you can also do with either the pound or the star button in the spectrum. Can't remember which one it is. And then bandwidth, narrow or wide. I have mine set to narrow because I'm listening to airband. All right, and then one last thing I wanted to show you. So you can hold down the PTT if it picks up something. You can hold down the PTT, and you see how it says listen in the top right? You can continue to stay on that frequency and listen in case it comes back on that channel. If someone comes back on that frequency, you can hold down on it. So see, I held down on it just in case they come back. If they don't come back, you can release it and it'll continue to scan. I'm holding it again. And then I continue to scan. Let's see which one of these. So the star takes away the cursor and the pound moves the cursor around in different areas of the spectrum to listen. So that's about it for this video. Hope this helps you out. I'll also have a video on how to update. I already have one from an older update, but I'll be posting a video about how to do this update. But it is the same basic steps. So you can go back and look through my videos and find that if you need that. Hope this video helped. And 7-3s, this is the Night Reaper, and we're out.
To receive a discount on all Tidradio products, please check the descriptions or comments for a link and discount code. Thank you for your support.